As we've said many times on this show, winter is one of the best times you can plant shrubs and trees, and that's true for Camelia sasanquas. Now, I don't believe that this shrub gets enough attention. It really deserves to be recognized and planted more. So this time of year, from fall to early winter, is when these guys are at their peak bloom time. These plants are great for the landscape because they look beautiful and they're evergreen. But to me, most importantly, they provide valuable winter forage for bees and other pollinators at a time when we simply don't have a lot available for them. There are numerous cultivars of sasanquas that are available on the market, and you can see some of the color variation around me. White is extremely popular. There's so many different shades of pink, and there's even redder shades like this one called Yuletide. And you can notice it has a more upright growth habit, whereas this one, which is pink snow, is going to tend to be wider, but will also get tall. So sasanquas can be very small. They can be dwarfed, 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, but some cultivars, especially some of the older ones, can get up to 8, 10, even 12 feet tall and can be used as wonderful evergreen hedges. Growing sasanquas is relatively easy because they're adapted to a wide range of soil types. Soil pH needs to be neutral to acidic, and they can't be in wet ground. They need to have good to decent drainage. Other than that, they're relatively trouble-free. They can take full sun to part shade, but you'll get the best bloom in full sun. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.